In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Meet audio and video settings. Whether you're preparing for an important meeting or simply want to optimize your call experience, adjusting these settings can make a world of difference. So let's dive into a quick and easy guide. First, to get started, you'll need to navigate to Google Meet on your computer. Open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com in the address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll land on Google Meet's homepage. Here, you'll see options to either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Go ahead and join a meeting where you need to adjust the settings. Once you're in the meeting, look for the More Options button. It's typically represented by three vertical dots on the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu holds the key to customizing your video call experience. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. This action will open up a new window where you can fine-tune your audio and video preferences. It's a small but crucial step that allows you to control the devices that Google Meet uses for both sound and visuals. Now that you're in the settings window, you'll see two main tabs, video and audio. You can start with either, but let's begin with video. Clicking on the video tab will present you with options that include selecting your camera. This drop down allows you to choose your preferred webcam, especially useful if you have multiple cameras connected. Make sure to select the one that gives you the best quality or view for your meeting. Additionally, you can change the video resolution here, which can be handy if you need to lower quality due to limited bandwidth. After sorting out your video settings, switch over to the audio tab. Here you can select your microphone and speakers. Again, if you have several audio devices connected, it's essential to select the devices that provide the clearest sound quality. Choosing the right microphone and speaker will ensure that you can hear and be heard without any issues during your meeting. Once you've adjusted all your settings to your liking, make sure to click the close button to exit the settings window. This processes your changes and applies them instantly, so you can continue your meeting with improved audio and video performance. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Google Meet calls are as clear and professional as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your future meetings.